Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to allow websites to access your microphone on your Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Google Chrome and you want to select the menu icon up at the top right and then go down and select Settings. Now on the left side, you want to select where it says Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, underneath Privacy and Security, select Site Settings. And then underneath Permissions, locate Microphone. And then you want to allow sites to be able to ask for your microphone. And then click the drop down up here and make sure the correct microphone is selected. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.